In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop sharing posts from Facebook to Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook app, then right here hit Add Menu icon to open up menu, then right there, hit Add Gear icon to open up your settings, and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find Account Center. Just get into it. Then here tap at Sharing Across Profiles feature. And now here at Share From box you have to select your Facebook account because we want to stop sharing posts from Facebook to Instagram. So I'll tap right here at Facebook account, and now here we got two options under automatically share. The first controls sharing story from Facebook to Instagram, and the second one controls sharing posts. So now if you want to stop sharing posts from Facebook to Instagram, you have to toggle this feature off. If you want to stop sharing stories as well, just toggle that feature off. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.